is your homework. I make you people understand each and every point, and no matter, I will take some extra hours. I don't have any problem with that. But we do each and every part in the class itself, because every part has a different circumstances. I cannot ask you that, okay, these are all same, just do it on your own. Right? You people know me from so many months. So you people know that we do each and every part. Nobody can point out that, ma'am, you left this or you left that. Right? And because of that also, even he joined late, then somewhere we covered the syllabus and he got good marks. He got 38.5 out of 40. So it's a good number. Right? Even in short span of time, he scored really well. And the issue is that we, the counselor, they basically, somewhere put him in the new batch, but he didn't like it, or I don't know what. Like, apart from because I asked them, please ask some other faculty to teach him. So they didn't like it, because all the slots were packed and it was difficult. So I have to do this as well, because I teach all the subjects, the math, science, and economics.
He didn't like it because you were the good teacher, right?
I don't know, maybe, sometimes what happened, for example, I'm teaching you people right now. You know my teaching style. I'm very comfortable with you. You people are comfortable with me. Suddenly from tomorrow, if I'll ask some other teacher to teach you, you will also feel that, miscommunication between the teacher and you. Because you people are used to my teaching style, right? Of course, every teacher is different. So you will also get uncomfortable, like, okay, what happened? For example, tomorrow new student comes to me. Right? I will be also uncomfortable because I don't know that student. Right now, what I can do is, for example, these are the questions, right? For example, this. Over here, I can ask you, what you have to do, students, you have to make the denominator same, and then you have to solve. You know, ma'am, how to make the denominator same. But the new student, he don't know how to make the denominator same. So what he will think, that this teacher is not teaching me nicely, right? Because he joined late, but you people know, na? So this is the scenario. So that's why maybe because of that, or, once you get addicted to one, even when we use new pen, if this is your favorite pen, if you will use any other pen, you feel like, okay, this is roughish and this is not working properly, right? It's not giving you the good handwriting because you are used to your old pen. So this basically happens. So let's see what I will do. Let's see. Okay, so now even in my mind, like today, I think 12th class student, they have their pre-boards and all that. So they also got the good result. Like out of 80, they got 78, 76, 79. So quite good day. Because it feels good, when your students score well. Even when I was taking a test paper, you people did well. So I was feeling good that, okay, whatever efforts you people are putting, whatever efforts I am putting, there is a result for that. Right? And at the end, for me, what matters is that your parents should be proud of you. That your parents should be like, okay, our children are doing good. Right? So this should be the main motive at the end of the day. And result don't define you. Right? So for example, this term you are not getting good marks, no matter. Next time you should be more dedicated. Next UT or next test, you should be more dedicated. That, okay, this time we will do. And every time you should learn from your mistake. Right? Coming to example of Chakrika had a test for triangles. There she lost marks. But I think from that she learned the lesson, which she did in school, Chakrika, if you remember.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Yeah. But you remember that, right? Yes,
ma'am, I do.
Yeah.
In my last year, I got very bad marks. I got 27 out of 80 and I was so ashamed that time. Then in the second term, I did 58 out of 80. That was
so this is what you have to remember. See, I don't tell students that if I'll teach you, you will get good marks. Of course, it's your hard work. Whatever I'm teaching you, if you will not practice, definitely not. Right? So you have to practice a lot. And see, I will tell you my personal experiences. The thing is that I was in 10th standard, I guess. I didn't remember. 10th standard. The thing is that I never took any tuitions or something. Right? In my 10th standard, there was an exam of 100 marks, right? For the half yearly. And over there, I got 42 marks out of 100. Right? So I was one of the good students in my class, one of the topper student, and I was not taking tuitions and all that. So I was, no, I don't know what I did in my exam. And for maths, I got 42 out of 100. And at that time, everybody, even the average student was getting 50 plus, right? I was the one who got 42 out of 100. So I was very much like, what happened to this? That was basically a push for me. And when my board result came, so everybody was judging, everybody starts judging the student according to the result they get in school. So when I got my board exam, I got 98 out of 100. So everybody was like, how you did it and all that thing. So that doesn't mean over here I got bad marks. That doesn't mean I stopped studying. I did a lot of hard work after that. I did each and every question 100 of time. And then this was my final result. So the thing is that no matter whether you in this UT you are getting good marks or bad marks, the thing is that you should learn from your mistake, and next time you should be more powerful, and you should feel like this time I will do a lot of efforts, and this time I'll prove everyone wrong that I can do good in maths. And maths is something you have to do no matter after 11th what you will, after 10th what you will do, but till 12th you have to. And if your basics are clear now, you will love maths, right? If your basics are not clear, slowly with every class, you will start hating maths. And sometimes it will become a headache for you. Even in 9th, 10th, because nobody will teach you at that time, not multiply this or this. I am taking the batches for 6th. Over there, I am asking them to learn the tables. I never asked this to you, right? Because I expect that you people knows the table, right? So this is what basically I'm taking the class of 10th class. Over there, I'm not asking them to make I am just giving them this and I'm like, solve this. I'm not even telling them make the denominator same. Because I know the stage. I know whatever you are learning in the 7th class, that will be helping you in 8th class. That will be helping you in 9th class. That will be helping you in 10th class, everywhere. So the basic formulas, like the basic method to solve this, you have to learn it. And exponent and power is very one of the important chapter. Very important. Never, though very complicated, but you have to learn it. Even rational number is very important. Every chapter is important because you learn something new in each and every chapter. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Like the same thing happened with me last year.
Okay.
Like the thing is that when I was in 6th grade, in 4th and 5th, as it was COVID, I didn't have proper classes as it was online.
Okay.
And like when I was in 6th grade, like in term 1, I got like very less marks, like symbols. But then it's like out of 70, I got like 29 or like that. And then in like term 2, I got like in 40s. I don't remember exactly. And then in term 3, I got like in 50s.
Okay. So this is
and
what
then like
progress is.
Mom?
This is what the progress is basically. Every
Yes,
time you
ma'am.
are going ahead.
But then like this term, like 7th grade, first term, I got bad marks in term 1, ma'am.
Okay.
So and like before like the EV1 holidays, in that holidays, like I had tuitions, and in that tuition, like sir taught me about the chapters which we're having now.
You
for,
are
like,
not
this
audible
exam.
to now. In that tuition, what?
In that tuition, like sir taught which chapters are coming for this term.
Okay.
So
So why
basically,
did you tell him that so these chapters are not coming? So why?
No, ma'am. Actually, he taught which chapters are coming.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think it would be a bit easier now, and I hope I score good marks.
Okay. Yes. So this time you should perform. You should be performing very well.
Yes, ma'am. I set a goal like for science.
But still, I think you feel like somewhere, even you have done that chapter, still somewhere we do the mistake, right?
Yes, ma'am. I don't know. Like I feel like I practice well and stuff, everything, but still I do not get good marks.
And this is not your mistake, basically. This is the mistake of maths. Maths demand practice. When we people know 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, but somewhere we write 6. I used to do this. I'm telling my experience.
Well, me too.
Right.
I do it so much.
Yes. So we know, even from our childhood, we are learning this 3 3s are 9, right? But why you are writing 6? Right? So this is what math itself says, that maths needs practice and practice. and you cannot decide the thing that whether, like, for example, you got the answer, na? So you cannot, until and unless you get the answer checked, you cannot say, ma'am, whether this was right or this was wrong. Because you applied the right formula, but maybe in calculation you did some mistake. Yes. So until and unless you didn't get the final answer, and when you check the answer over there, if the answer is 23, yes, ma'am, I got the correct answer. Okay. So maths need practice, 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 and do a lot of practice, and no need to disappoint from the bad marks or something, because the only thing is that you should have that passion in yourself that, okay, this time I got this, next time I will, like, just check your weak points. And see, students, I am not that teacher who has just a connection with you in the class itself. You are doing whatever you are doing, I don't care. I care a lot, right? If I'm teaching you, I'm connected to you personal at my personal level as well, right? So the thing is that, for example, if you face any difficulty after the result, also you feel like that, ma'am, see, good result, everybody tells that, ma'am, I got this. But in case if you didn't get good marks, you can come to me, ma'am, this time I'm not getting, like, I really appreciate Chakrika. She, for the class test itself, for triangles, she got less marks and she was very much disappointed. She came to me, she shared the answer sheet and she was like, ma'am, where I went wrong, please tell me. So we discussed it, and somewhere from that test itself, though her marks were correct, even I think 2 questions were wrong, but she was really much worried about that. And I really felt good that, you know, apart from the classes, she gave me that answer sheet and she was like, ma'am, please check and inform me where I went wrong. Right? So this is for everyone. Like, I am not just for the class. You people have my personal number. You can text me, ma'am. This is my, though in the class I will not discuss it, but at the personal level also. And even for Vega also, I really appreciate. Sandhu's always share the homeworks and all that. Like in my class, in my every batch, no matter whether I'm taking 12th batch, I'm taking 10th batch, I tell them that 7th class batch is the most energetic one. Because over here, everybody is ready with the answer. Even Sindhu's is always...
It's very funny that Chakrika is a boy and you kept telling her like that the boy is like she. It is actually funny. But
Chakrika is a boy? No?
Mom, I'm a girl.
Yeah, she's a girl.
You're a girl, Chakrika?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm a girl.
Her name itself says.
I'm sorry. I'm very much sorry.
But how did you thought this?
It's all right.
Like, her name itself says Chakrika. It's a female name.
I'm sorry. I just can't. I believe that.
I think she mixed you with that one more student who joined.
No, like the voice, ma'am. The voice kept me like...
Yeah. So this is what I was telling you.
Sorry,
even, you know, when... No problem. It's okay. And even for Vega, you know, a few days back, she was facing some difficulty in the questions. She marked it and shared it with me, though I was unable to explain in the class to her. Right. But even from my side, even I was outside, from my side, I shared the audio messages and all that. So when you reach out to me at personal level also, I feel good that, okay, at least you people are trying. Right? At least you people are putting your efforts apart from the classes. So my thing is that I want you people to grow in the life. It's not only for the 7th class, right? No, I don't know. Maybe in the next year also, you people will, you people are with me only. Nobody knows, right? So over there, I can ask you people that in 7th class, I told you this. Yes. So I prepare you people, and not only for me also. For example, you are somewhere else in the next class. So over there also, you should, like, that teacher should feel like these students know the basics. They should not feel like, who taught you in the 7th? That you don't know the basics. Right? So this is what my main motive is, to prepare you people that well. So no matter where you go, right? If you are with me, then it's a good thing, right? But if you are going somewhere else, then you people should, you know, be confident in yourself. And that's wherever you are going, your basics should be very much clear, so that nobody can point you out that, okay, from where you came and who taught you in the 7th class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So be ready for the circle, because right now you're in 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. And 10th, there was a pressure, boats, right? So yeah, the 4-5 years of your life where you have to put a lot of hard work, students. right? And after that, your life will be very much easy if you are putting yourself in
No,
a
ma'am, it will not be easy. Like if you
not
did
easy. I
10,
won't say, yeah,
then
not
we have to
easy.
have like 12th pressure. After 12, we have to have the college pressure. After
Mhm.
college, like we have to have the university.
And when you will get the
Everything
college,
is
good
pressure.
college, when you have the good marks, right?
Yes, that's why every
That's
time
why I'm
pressure
telling
only.
you that if, for example, in your school days you didn't perform well, then forget about the other life. No good college, no good job, nothing. If you're performing good in your school life, then you will get good college. And if you get good college, you get the good placement and your life is somewhere sorted, right? So this is what you have to work for, right? So everyone will be having a dream job and everything. So just think about that and work
Yes,
hard,
ma'am.
right? And I'm always there, no matter where you go. Even the students who have done 12th and they are passed out, they also contact me right now also and they tell me, ma'am, we are doing this. And I feel really good that, at least the people, and when they get results, they have like overwhelmed messages. So I really feel good that, okay, you people, I just want you people to be a good human being in life. And somewhere, wherever you are, you people at least, you know, are updating me that, ma'am, I'm doing this. Some people are doing graduations from Australia. Some people came India. Some people are preparing some competitive exam. So it really feel good to see your students, doing all these things. So I hope you people will be successful in life and somewhere you will remember me and you will update me.
Thank you, ma'am.
We are doing this currently. Okay, so today we had a good lecture session, which was not needed, but yeah. Okay, so let's just do the next question then, students, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so somewhere I think talking session should be there, right? There, because maths is a boring subject for most of the students. So in between, if I
For
talk to you, at least I'll
Yes.
get an idea how you people think, and because for me, you people are very, very important, because I told you now, whenever I take a batch, that batch become my family, one of the professional family. So you people are like that to me. Okay. So now coming to this one, this find the product. So product means, ma'am, what? Find the multiple. Multiple means just multiply it. Okay. So I think it's very
no
easy.
using of LCM, right?
No need to here. No need to do LCM. Okay. So over here you have to simply multiply 9 and 7, whatever you got, and 2 and 4, whatever you got. But in multiplication, signs will be, for example, if it is minus
Just
sign,
like that, ma'am.
yes, then you will get
Just
minus
like that.
0. Yes,
It's easy, ma'am. Okay.
right? So you people can do this, and then we will discuss the answer.
Yes.
Okay, very easy. So simply,
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
like why it make this question like tricky by adding brackets?
because you cannot put two signs together, that's why.
No, like why the man who invented this thing, like why did he
It's
need
like,
to put
see,
brackets?
for example, if it is like this, is it looking good? Or is this one is looking good? Which one is looking good? This one. Now,
With
over
the
here,
bracket.
you are getting confused whether to multiply it or whether to subtract it. Right?
Okay.
But over
Yes.
here, you are very much sorted that I will multiply this with this number, and whatever I get, it will, for example, you got 20. So your answer is in negative, like this. So that's why this person invented this. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So
Ma'am, we also use brackets and like powers and exponents. It's like the main thing. The brackets are like an important thing in powers and exponents.
And bracket plays a very important role. Bracket itself says multiply me. Right? For example, if it is this now,
Ma'am.
somewhere.
Yes, ma'am.
It's like
9 into 3.
this, yeah, it is 9 multiplied by 3. The bracket itself says I'm a product. Right? Treat me
Okay,
like a
ma'am.
product. Okay, so now you people will do all the 6 questions quickly and then we will discuss the answer one by one. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Ma'am, ma'am, like I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, like suppose one answer is like this, 17 by 17. So it's similar to 17 by 1, right?
17 by 17.
Yeah.
Can
If
you
suppose
see,
it's like that,
if it is 17 by 17, then it will
then
cut your answer to be 1.
so it will be like 1 only, right?
Yes.
It will similar to be 17 by 1?
No, only 1.
Okay.
Because both the 17 will be deducted, na?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So you will get 1.
Okay. And ma'am,
Done,
if
ma'am.
suppose it is like that, minus 17 by 70, still it is deducted, right?
It will be minus 1.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, we'll just wait for other.
Finished, ma'am. We all are finished.
Ma'am,
Okay,
we're all
everyone
done.
done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So for the first one, tell me.
63 by
Minus 63 by
Minus
8.
63 by 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, second one. Minus
Minus
57
minus
by 8.
27
Yes, ma'am.
by
Okay. Now the third one.
Minus
Minus
54 by
minus 54
by
by
55.
55.
Minus 54 by
Yes, ma'am.
55.
Yes.
Minus 6 by
Minus 6
35.
by
6 by
35.
35.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Fifth
ma'am.
one.
6 by
by
55.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And
By
6, 1, 1.
1. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now there is one twist. Okay. In division. Over here, for example, the question says, apart from this, for example, the question is 4 by 3 divided by 2 by 6, for example, or 2 by 9. Okay, this is your question. Now you have to divide it. So at that time, what you do?
Will
You
reciprocate.
multiply and you will reciprocate. And then you will solve. Okay?
Ma'am, we cancel it, right? Basically, like 1
Yes.
and then
So
3.
over here, what you have to do, you have to change the division sign and you have to put multiplication and then reverse it. 2 will become denominator, 9 will become numerator. Now over here, you have two ways to solve this. Okay. First thing, what
The
you do?
normal way, ma'am, did like the one divided before.
Yes. So I'll tell you both the way. First method to solve this is this. Like 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. Like this. And 2 ones are 2 2s are. So what you got? You got 2 by 1 multiplied by 3 by 1. Yes. And then we can solve it. You got 6 by 1. Clear? This is how. And over here, the other method is 4 by 3 multiplied by 9 by 2. So you can directly multiply it. 4 multiplied by 9 will give you what? 36? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. And then 6.
And
So
then 3
basically
and 2
1
is
by
6.
6.
Right? So here, when you
Yes.
can subtract it, so here also you got 6 by 1. Yes?
Ma'am, like
Yes,
if
ma'am.
I use the second one, I
No
will get the
problem.
answer, but
Yeah.
like I will not like like simplify it. That's the problem of mine. I forgot to simplify it.
Simplify is nothing. You have to only divide it. You have to find a number which is in which can divide both the numbers. Okay. For example, you got this 25 and 30. Okay. Okay. Let me do it here. You got 25 and 30. Right. You have to find a number which is divisible, like that can divide
Ma'am,
25 as well as 30. So you started
ma'am,
with two table. So 2 can divide this, but it cannot divide this. So not possible. 3,
ma'am, 5
it
can
can
divide.
divide this, but not this. 4, no ma'am. 5 only can. 5 5 and 5 6. This now, this you further cannot divide. Right? So this is the simplest form.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so here you people go. You will do this question. So over here, if it is this, you will write it like this. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Quickly start doing it.
Ma'am, the second side will be the reciprocating, right?
Yes.
Only the second
Divide.
side, right?
Yes.
Mom, I'm done.
What about others? Everyone is done?
I'm just in the second last
No,
question.
Mom, I don't think so.
Okay. No problem. We will discuss the answers in the next class because we are running out of time. We have still 1 minute. You people can finish it, and answers we will discuss in the next class. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Mom.